Hi, my name is Keith, a technician with USACLEAN for 11 years, and this is a Tennant T5 auto scrubber. Now in this video series, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to properly maintain your equipment to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Alright, so we need to replace the squeegee blades. This is how you do it. First, we're going to take off your squeegee assembly from the machine. Just remove your back hose, get it out of the way, undo the two star knobs that are holding it to the whale tail, and remove the squeegee assembly. Just like that. Next step, we're going to remove the 4 star knobs right here on top, and then we're going to flip and rotate the squeegee assembly on its top. Okay, next step, we're going to remove your back strap. Pull the tab, take the back strap off like that. Now that releases your back blade. So now you can remove the back blade. Just set that off here. Then what you want to do is this middle insert right here, just lift it up and out, and that releases your front blade. Okay, now we're going to put your blades back on. So take your middle insert and set that back down in your squeegee assembly. Now you got these tabs on your insert that you need to line up with the tabs or the holes on your squeegee blade. Put your front squeegee blade. I usually go center to the out first. Do one side and then go over and do the other side. And then what you want to do is you want to make sure that your holes are lined up with the tabs on your middle insert. It's what helps keep the squeegee blade in place. Okay, now that we've got that inserted, go ahead and rotate your squeegee assembly like this on its, like on its side here, and put your end star knobs back on and tighten them down. And now we can set back on your top, set your squeegee assembly back down on your top like this, and put the rear blade back on. Now you can go from center to side like the front blade. I like to go just side all the way to the other side. And make sure again that your holes are lined up on the center insert on your squeegee assembly with the tabs. And that just helps keep your back blade on, just like the front blade. And then your next step is going to put your back strap back on. Start with the side that doesn't have the latch on it. Place it in there like so. And then go and do your latch side like so. And latch it. Now, rotate it back over like that and put your other 2 star knobs. Now don't tighten those down because you got to put it back on your machine. Now we're going to put the squeegee assembly back on the machine the same exact way you took it off. Just take your assembly and put it back on the whale tail and then tighten the star knobs down. Secure it to the machine. And then what we want to do is make sure you put your suction hose back on. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.